Wish TV, Indiana's only statewide TV news network. This is Breaking News.
And we start right now with breaking news here at 10 o'clock. A federal judge blocks an Indiana law from taking effect that would have banned gender transition procedures for minors. Governor Eric Holcomb signed that bill into law in April. News 8's Adam Pinsker joining us now live from the federal courthouse with why the judge issued this ruling. Adam.
Yeah, Phil, Judge James Patrick Hanlon, who was appointed to the federal bench by President Trump, ruled that this law violates the Equal Protection Clause under the 14th Amendment of the Constitution, as well as people's First Amendment rights of freedom of speech. And that means that this law cannot yet take effect. District Judge James Hanlon issued a preliminary injunction preventing the enforcement of Senate Bill 480. The bill would have gone into effect July 1st and would have banned doctors from knowingly providing gender transition procedures to a minor, including puberty-blocking drugs and hormone therapy.
The judge found, as many other courts have found looking at similar laws, is that this is a law that's based on discrimination on the grounds of sex. And when that occurs, there has to be a very high standard that the state needs to justify it.
A section of the law banning gender reassignment surgery will be allowed to take effect, but the trans community says this is a huge victory for children whose only remedy to cure their emotional troubles is to transition.
If I didn't transition when I was at 15, I wouldn't be here today to help others and all that. I had suicidal thoughts. I was not happy in the body that I was in.
Some lawmakers who supported the bill said they were concerned children would seek gender-affirming care and regret the decision later in life.
There are always going to be people who regret their decision, but there are more people who did not regret their decision. And so most of these lawmakers, they find the people who did regret their situations and they run with it.
The state can appeal the preliminary injunction. If that doesn't work, the case will go to trial where the law's fate will be decided in court.
We think the law is clearly unconstitutional and unlawful and incredibly injurious to many, many young persons in the state. So we certainly are going to continue to fight to have the law struck down permanently.
And we reached out to the Republican Senate and House sponsors of this bill, Senators Tyler Johnson and Representative Joanna King. They did not get back to us with a response. A spokesperson for Governor Eric Holcomb's office says that the governor will not comment on ongoing litigation. Adam Pinsker, Wish TV, WishTV.com, and like us on Facebook.